All right. So you have decided that you want to enter the market. Well, here's the issue. There's a lot of ways to do that. With that being said, what are you going to do to make money in the market? Because you can invest in stocks, and that's a couple ways to do it. You can buy and hold, aka the slow cooker. You could go into the market where the blender's going, aka day trading. You can go options, long out options. You can do far out options. You can do options that expire in a day. You can do the bond market where the real big money plays. So if you really want to know where money's going to go the next couple of days, hours, or minutes, look at the bond market. You have Forex. That's the foreign exchange market. That's where you are literally talking about how much the dollar is worth compared to other currencies. That's just one example. You also have the futures market, which is a market where you are essentially doing an options contract, but it's on a different kind of level. It moves really, really fast and it requires a lot of liquidity. So, liquidity is one word you need to know. So, if you haven't learned what liquidity is, it means money on deck, money you're ready to use and make work for you today. That is liquidity. Now, as you go through these markets, I want you to understand if you have not educated yourself in these markets or what they are, how they move, where they move, and what causes them to move, you are doing yourself a disservice. This is why I'm doing this one part of the course we present here at, of course, RTW Courseware. Now, this is an intro course. This course is designed to take you from day one to 2 years to 2.5 years to 3 years of the learning curve. We want to cut that right off for you. So the things you want to know, feel free to ask. There are no bad questions. The only bad questions are the ones that aren't asked because then you don't know. The best thing you can do is cut time off of your learning so you can learn how each one of these major markets move and how you can make money off of those moves. So I'll give you one more gem. It is this. We talked about what, 5 markets here? There are more, but here are the major ones. And here are the players in those markets. So you want to know, is this stuff legal? Yeah, it's legal. Is it a scam? At times it can be. And who's moving this and why? Well, here are your major players. Do you see your name here? Of course you don't, because you're not a major player. What we do as investors, as traders, we are the people that are watching the market. We get paid to wait. This is the best thing about being a trader or investor. You get paid to wait for maximum opportunities, optimal opportunities where you can enter the market and make the most profit. The only issue is learning how to spot these parts of the market and how you can benefit from them and why and when these moves happen. So you are up against everybody in the playground. You're the new kid. Welcome to the block. The government's here. The commercial banks are here. The central banks are here. Corporations are here. Investment funds are here. And of course, us, the retail traders. You have a family of retail traders here that are looking at you and they want to know, did you do your homework before you came out and played? That's how you need to look at these financial markets. If you don't do your homework on them, you're going to a playground you've never been to with a whole bunch of bullies, and they are waiting for you to slip up so they can catch you taking that L. So the main thing is this: get your education, educate, 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 and inflate not only your ego, but hopefully your pockets with great returns on your investments. I want to get to the point for this, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is going to be less than 5 minutes. So I want to say thank you for listening to this very first part of the RTW courseware. It is a course that will be offered shortly on how to get into the financial markets. This has just been a slight preview because you are learning. It is not a crime to be new. It is not a bad thing to learn. Do not look at social media and think you are supposed to be making thousands of dollars a minute and millions of dollars a day and quadruple billions of dollars every year, but you don't know the general terms used in the market. You don't know the markets. You don't know how these markets move. So educate yourself and then elevate. So thank you very much. We will see you on our next video.